Hi. Hello. I cannot get this camera setting thing right, but oh, I'm hungry and figured why not go ahead and share with y'all what I got today. So this is chicken salad sandwiches. I got chicken salad. I mean chicken. Chicken, lettuce, mayo, pickles, onions. Normally I would like to have tomatoes too, but I ain't got none. So, like I said, like I told y'all, that what I'm gonna be doing is, you know, showing y'all, eating with y'all, what I normally would eat. So, this is what we got today, which is chicken salad sandwiches and chips. This is lunch, okay? So, anywho, let's go ahead and pray, and we're gonna go ahead and eat. So, God is great, God is good. Let us take it for our food by His hands. We are fed. Thank you, Lord. Stay the bread. Amen. Eat. So, on regular white bread, see, look. Mm-hmm. Got RC. So, anyways, I hope y'all got a good day. We actually got snow. A little chips. So how y'all doing today? Getting in the snow? Oh, that sound really bomb, y'all. Mmm. 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 My recipe. Mmm. 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 Might just have a story time for y'all. So I was thinking of what story to tell y'all. One time when I was little, we used to live on in the hood. Some apartments. Um, they were haunted. Always have been. Everybody knew it. Everybody knew these apartments were haunted. But, hey, that's what you can afford. That's what you can afford. My mama had 5 kids. And it was just right up the block from where my grandparents lived. You know, that's home. So one night, me and my brother, we were like this. Growing up, we were close in age. We were the youngest. So me and him was always together. Well, which means we would get in trouble together too. All the time. Man, tell you how bad we were. We would go to church with my grandma just to fight. I had bad kids. Don't want to need church. Need some church. Anywho, we get in trouble. And my mama beat us down, right? So my mama beat us down. Child abuse. Screaming help, 911. Someone please call 911. Anyway. She beat us asleep, right? So, we're laying there knocked out. It was daytime. Well, I woke up and it was nighttime. I'm laying there. Let's say, how old was we? 7, 6, 7. So, anywho, I'm laying there and I was like, dang, it got dark. And I'm trying to see if I can hear anything. My brother's laying beside me. Trying to listen and see if I can hear anybody. All of a sudden, the closet door, I thought I heard hangers rattle. And I'm like, I didn't just hear that. No, I didn't just hear that. I'm like, I heard it again. Like, this time it wanted me to hear. Yeah, you heard what you thought you heard. Yeah, you heard it. Cause I was like, cause this time it was louder. And my little child, mine was like, first I was thinking, is that my brother? Then I realized he was asleep still beside me. So I'm like, now who? I was bad, right? I said, who the hell's in that closet? I cussed all the time. I cussed, I smoked, I drank, I was supposed to stop, you know, the rest. So I'm like, who the hell's in that closet? So I was sitting up. And then I was like, oh, shit. And I heard it again. So I was like, oh, shit, I'm going back to sleep. So I lay back down. I started trying to go to sleep. You know when you get scared and you try to cover up? Get under the blankets and everything. Then all of a sudden you start getting hot and start sweating. I was like, oh, shit, can't breathe. So I took that blanket off my head, right? That closet door was open. It was open a little bit, but it was open enough to where I knew that if it was open earlier, I would have seen it. I would have noticed it. Well, I seen it was open. And I could hear people in the living room. Our door was closed. So I could hear people outside the door. So I'm like, okay, I know we're not by ourselves. Which was a comfort to me, you know. So anyway, I'm looking at this door. I'm like, if that sucker flies open, I love my brother, but I'm out of here, man. I'm gone. I've seen little fingers come around that door like that. Hold on. That was it. Man. I started screaming my head off. I'm thinking I'm going to get up and run. I was stuck. But I couldn't even work up the nerve to wake my brother up. I couldn't work up the nerve to jump up out of bed, turn the light on, open the door, or nothing. I would have stuck. So I just started screaming. I let it all out. And you know, I'm loud. I'm a loud person. And so always have been. I'm yelling. I know I'm about to get somebody's attention. So I'm yelling. And I lay back down. And I cover myself back up with my blankets. And I'm just still yelling. Woke my brother up. He was like, you know, woke up screaming, what are you yelling for? I couldn't even talk. I couldn't even tell him what I was yelling for. All I knew was I got to get somebody's attention. I know what I saw. So, I don't know. The door can bust on me. What the? You yelling for? What's wrong with you? It was my mama. And I was like, Mom, I see somebody in that glass. I was telling her. She's like, oh, no, you didn't. You better quit talking like that. You trying to scare somebody. You just trying to scare your brother. No. I was scared. I was freaking out, man. I'm just a little kid. I'm like, but, oh, man, my mama's here. She's here saying, she's here. I can get up and walk out. Please. I got up to walk out. I forgot we were still in trouble. Lay your butt back down. I don't remember what we got in trouble for. Could have been anything. Anyway, there it was. My mom wasn't playing that. Lay your butt back down. You ain't coming out. I'm crying. My brother's crying. Please let us get out of here. Please let us come out. Please don't turn that light off. She did it anyway. Because if we didn't lay back down, we was going to get another whooping. So we did as we was told. Because, you know, you might not be a punk. Nobody else. But when it comes to that mama, you're going to do exactly what she tells you to do. Anyway. We had to lay back down. I'm crying. But I knew she was right outside that door. So I jumped up real quick and I turned that light on. I went to go lay down. What the hell, she didn't come back in there? I said, turn this light off, I leave this light off. If I see this light come on, so I want to go to my grandpa's house. No. Chasing back to bed. Remember lay back down. Me and my brother both crying. Mama. Well, anyway. She took off. And we're just looking at each other like, what we gonna do? And then I told him about everything that had happened up until that point. And so he's laying there looking at me like he didn't know whether he should believe me or not. Because I did play around a lot. I like to scare him. And I like to joke around. I'm still like that. While he was looking at me like he was for sure he wanted to believe me or not, them hangers moved again in that closet. And we both turned around and looked. I said, see, I told you, you know. And he was like, don't do that. You scared me. I said, I didn't do nothing. But he was, because I was like, see, I told you. And so we both went under the cupboard. I'm about to cry because it's, okay. So anyways, we was both trying our best, you know. He's like, maybe we just go back to sleep, you know, and leave us alone or whatever, you know. We just try to go back to sleep. Well, all of a sudden, something started jumping at the foot of the bed. You can feel it, but it felt like small. But it was jumping on the foot of the bed. And boy, both of us just started screaming, scream, you know, we going nuts. I didn't care what mama said that time. I was going to take that whooping. So I jumped up and I grabbed his hand. We didn't look. We just jumped up. I grabbed his hand. We ran out that door, and I ran out the bedroom door, and then I ran out the front door. My mama was like, what y'all doing? I didn't even care. I didn't even stop. I didn't stop till I made it to my grandpa's house. True story. So we get home. Went to my grandpa's house. He was already in bed. He go sleep early. My grandma was sitting there. And we was crying. She said, what's going on? And we told her and stuff. She said, what? And I said, yeah, grandma and mama didn't even believe it. I was telling everything. I mean, I went way back with it too. As I'm telling her everything, my mama comes walking to that back door with her belt. What's that? What's that? She's like, Mom, and I was crying. We was holding on to my grandma for dear life. Save us. Please save us. Well, my grandma saved us. She told my mama, you just let them stay here tonight. They'll be okay. They're not going to go nowhere. They're going to be right here. They're going to be okay. We slept with my grandma that night. I mean, we couldn't go to sleep, though. We didn't go to sleep till late because we were scared. You know, and I did go back to that room. A couple other things happened throughout the time that we was there in that apartment. You could see people walking, their shadows going along the wall. And we see how much time I got. It's 19 minutes. Okay. Quick one. So same apartment. So me, my sisters, my brother, we had I think we might have had like 2 cousins spending out with us. So, my mom and them was gone. My mom and she went out with her friends or whatever. And so, and the cousins that spent the night were older than us. So we're all playing, running around and stuff. And then so it's time to go to bed. And I hated to go back to that house after that. I mean, because I didn't stay there too much longer after that. I mean, I stayed there long enough for like 2 more incidents. And then I was out and I didn't go back. I told my grandma and grandpa don't make me go back. So anywho, we all went to sleep. We was all sleeping in the living room. We woke up the next morning and we was all scratched. All of us, every one of us was scratched. And so we're all, at first we didn't recognize it. We was all trying to find us something to eat or whatever. And then my cousin or one of my sisters, one of them had said something about, had said something about, hey, I'm itching. What is that? What is that? Can you look at it and see what it is? And so anyways, I was like, I'm like looking at them, trying to see what they're doing or whatever, and I'm like, what is it? She was like, oh man. Then I just heard them all their voices started to get a little bit higher. Like, oh, what is that? What is that? And then everybody else started looking at themselves and they're like, oh, I'm scratched too. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So anyways, then we heard something in the back. Because we was like all in the kitchen living room area. We was all trying to find something to eat. So then we all just kind of looked at each other like, who's back there? We're all, okay, And I'm telling you, me and my brother, we were the youngest ones. So we was looking like, what is that? And then the sun rises on the east. And so our kitchen windows and our bedroom window right there, it was facing that way. So when the sun came in, it was real bright on this side. And so there's a long hallway. It's kind of shaped like an L. So you go straight down, then you turn. And that makes, you go to the other rooms over there. So there's the kitchen, 2 bedrooms on this side with the windows. And all the doors were open, all the windows, anyways, it was bright. I don't think that, I'm not sure, but it was bright and you could see on the wall. And it looked like somebody was walking that toward us because you could see, where first it was, I don't remember who it was, but somebody had recognized him. What is that? What is that? We all started getting scared. And I was looking, and whenever I looked, I'm staring straight down the hallway. And I'm looking, and you could see the shadow, like they were coming towards us. Man, we all freaked out. So we run to the door, trying to unlock it. It would not unlock. They was all trying to unlock it. We're all screaming in the background, because we know it's coming. We just don't know what we're going to see. I mean, we're looking at it, but we don't see nothing, but all we see is a shadow coming toward us. So we're trying to get out of there. We're trying to unlock it. We couldn't. So, man, I just opened that front window, pushed that screen out, and I picked up my brother, and I threw him out. I jumped out, and we took off. And I think that might have been the last time I went back to that apartment, because I didn't never want to go back to that apartment. Never. And that might have been the last time I was there. I didn't go back to that apartment. I was scared. That scared the mess out of all of us. We all ran out of there that day. And this was in the morning time. Well, I'm at 23 minutes. So I'm glad y'all got to see me. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed my visit. I'll try to, upload some more. Like I said, I'm working on consistency. Just, like I say, ain't no telling what I'm going to be eating day through day, day by day, whatever, Hopefully I'll be able to keep up with y'all, though, or y'all can keep up with me, hopefully. I stay on what I'm supposed to be staying on. But glad y'all can hang by. Glad you got to visit with me. Glad I got to see you. Comment, like, subscribe, and share, please. Please let me know, if you enjoy these, if you like it or not, and if not, then, any suggestions, I'll be open to it. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I guess I will see y'all later. Peace out. Doses.